Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces for the month of May. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's check the message. What happened in your connection past, Pisces? What is going on your connection right now? So we'll see future later. So what happened in your connection past? Seven of Swords, Three of Cups, Knight of Cups right now, Page of Cups, Strength, Nine of Wands. Definitely you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely lot of water energies here. Definitely for some there is some sneaky energy in past. Definitely. And there is a third party situation also, because Seven of Swords with Three of Cups, definitely there is third party situation. Definitely your person want this connection and want to offer this Knight of Cups, but it is very slow in past. For some there is also third party situation, because Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy definitely. But right now what is going on your connection? Definitely Page of Cups, an apology is coming in your way. Definitely message is coming. And Strength, I think you are overcoming this all the issues of what are third party issues. You are gaining your power and stand by your power definitely. And Nine of Wands, I think it is you or your person guarded up and warrior, don't want to give up on this connection. I think it's your person don't want to give up on this connection definitely. For some, your person gaining strength to come towards you after the third party situation. So let's pull some cards from universe. Let's pull some cards. Your person near future actions towards you, Pisces. Your person near future actions towards you. The Empress, Three of Swords, Six of Cups. Why is here Three of Swords? Clarification cards for Three of Swords. Five of Cups. Definitely one person is very sad in this connection. Three of Swords, heartbreak. I think you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, air energy is also very much in this connection, in this reading. Definitely one person feeling very sad and heartbroken definitely. So it will take time to come towards you, because after gaining strength and after healing he will come towards you. The Empress, I think you stand by your power, female in this connection. And Six of Cups, definitely you both feel a strong connection between both of you, and it is strong soulmate connection and past life connection. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Knight of Swords, the Sun, Four of Pentacles, and the last, the Devil. Definitely your person could be Capricorn, or you both addicted to each other, or your person could be addicted to some bad habits. Definitely there is some stubborn energy and sneaky energy in this connection. First it has to be eliminated. Definitely your person want to come towards your connection. I think children are also involved in this connection, third party, for some third party situation. Definitely after coming this person in your life, definitely there will be happiness for some, and for some there is a third party situation. Definitely your person want to come towards you. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.